Oh, please take a seat. Can I have your CV, please? Alright, thank you. So, can you tell me a little bit something about yourself? Well, I'm currently a sales associate at Mercedes-Benz, where I help to find the right purchase for my customers. And as of 2 years ago, I was the top selling associate. While I really enjoyed the work that I did, I'm looking to move to a company with larger potential, a company where they have an opportunity for me to grow, as well as to help grow the company. That's why I'm really excited with my opportunity here at Porsche. What 3 words would you choose to explain yourself? I would say that I'm outgoing, down to earth, as well as altruistic. A lot of my friends say that I'm an easily approachable person, and I'm really easy to socialize with, and I tend to put others' needs in front of my own. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Personally, I would say that my strengths are my product knowledge. I've been a car enthusiast ever since I was a kid, and I've always followed all the innovations from the car companies, as well as I followed all the news releases from these car companies. I feel like my product knowledge would really suit my job here. Other strengths would be my communication skills. So I've been dropped into many situations where I've always had a difficult counterpart, and I've always tend to find a way to deal with them and to communicate in a way where both sides understand each other perfectly. In terms of weaknesses, I tend to take too much responsibility than is needed of me, but that is definitely something I can work on and fix in the future. What's the best team you've ever been a part of, and why? I believe that the Mercedes-Benz sales team during the first year I was there was the best team that I've ever been in. So in that year, Mercedes-Benz did not reach its target sales, and when I entered, the sales team seemed very determined to rise out of that slump. And with the cohesion between the sales manager and the sales officer, we were able to achieve that. So the sales manager came up with a brand new strategy in order for us to achieve that goal. And with the teamwork with us sales officers, we were able to do that. So in that year, everybody was working very selflessly. They weren't working for personal scores or personal bonuses. They were working to bring each other up, rather than just to benefit themselves. There, I learned to be selfless, and I learned that I should always prioritize my customers' needs in order for us to close the deal. What's one challenge you faced, and how did you overcome it? Initially, during the first year at Mercedes-Benz, I tended to explain the cars to customers in the perspectives of a car enthusiast. And though some of them really enjoyed it like that, however, some did not tend to enjoy it like that, such as the family man. I would explain about the performance of the car, the top speed, the 0 to 60, but they weren't looking for that. They were looking towards more the functional. How much baggage can it carry? What's the gas mileage like? And through that, I learned that I needed to treat everybody differently. I needed to suit my approach towards the needs of the customer, rather than just explaining about the things I like. I had to adapt to them. I learned that different people needed to be treated a different way, and I tried to learn how to read the person before approaching them in order to find a suitable way to approach them. What accomplishment are you most proud of? While I was working at Mercedes-Benz, I worked with a lot of veterans. There, I really tried to pick their brain. I really tried to learn all the tips and tricks of the trade. And different from a lot of people, I'm not really afraid to ask questions, and I'm not ashamed to try and learn something new from somebody else. So during my year there, I learned so much from all these people who had so many years in the business, honing their trade, and I learned so much. And because of this, I was able to become the top selling associate of 2 years straight. And I feel that this is my favorite accomplishment because of the work I put into that, all the time and effort I spent into honing my craft in order for me to be able to reach the top. Why should we consider you for this position? I believe that I have the correct skills and adequate experience to excel at this job. I believe that if I'm accepted as a sales manager at Porsche, I would be able to coach the sales team in order for them to become a high selling associate. I believe that I have the communication skills to fulfill that as well as the closing skills to fulfill that. I believe that if I'm allowed into this company, I would be able to grow this company as well as grow myself.